Welcome to alternativetherapyclinic.net. And let's talk about Tratak meditation, which is part of the yoga. Mind is a faculty of the soul, and the power of soul is manifested through the mind. The mind has its own attributes, functions, and nature, but it's not able to function without association with the soul force, or we also call it life force. If all the components of a machine are in order, the machinery can carry out a particular task, yet it cannot function by itself without being motivated by some form of power, that is electricity. The mind is in the same position. Its direction and tendencies are separate from each other, but when associated with the soul force or the life force, it becomes active and works according to its faculties. That's why, motivated by past tendencies, a person does good or bad acts, higher or mediocre acts. Just as the mind acts with the help of the soul, similarly the senses function with the help of the mind. We have 5 organs of action and 5 organs of perception. The ears, eyes, skin, tongue, and nose are the organs of perception. The speech, hands, feet, reproductive and excretory organs are the organs of action. Like the mind, which is not able to function by itself, the senses also are not able to function without association with the mind. Tratak is performed by yogis for mind control and awakening, which in turn controls the senses and the thought process. The most important step in the path of yoga is to control the mind and make it useful. The first teaching of or practice of a yogi consists of understanding the mind in knowing its direction and turning it upwards. Tratak will help you a great deal in understanding the mind and making its unseen powers active so as to prepare for the self-realization. The practice of Tratak is independent in its own way and is meant for aspirants of higher categories. It is a very powerful meditation. Tratak is basically of 2 kinds: internal Tratak and external Tratak. Internal Tratak is also called Dharana, which we learnt in Ashtanga Yoga, or concentration, because in this practice the eyes are closed and the mind concentrated upon some subtle element within. And the external Tratak means fixing the eyes on some outside object. Tratak on any object can be performed during the day or night. In this practice, one has to take into account the object, the place and time. The word Tratak technically means to gaze steadily. Tratak is gazing without even blinking your eye at an object placed directly in front of the eyes. At the time of practicing Tratak, the eyeball should remain steady and even the eyelids should not flicker. No object except the one on which Tratak is to be performed should be seen. You should achieve a stage where only the object where you are doing the Trataka is visible, nothing else is visible, even with the opened eyes. And the mind should not wander hither and thither, but be merged in observation of the object only. The impression of the object falls on the optic nerves, and the shadow of the object falls on the eyes and then on retina. The optic nerves of the retina are connected by the sensory nerves with the brain. The brain has several centers which are connected with the optic nerves. Now these centers receive information through the optic nerves and send out commands. Most of these centers are asleep or inactive, but Trataka does not merely increase the function of the perception. Through the medium of perception, the centers of the brain which remain inactive in an ordinary person are awakened. A number of yoga practitioners perform Trataka and attain samadhis. This practice of Trataka plays a very important role in yoga. Trataka is actually performed or practiced even in hypnotism. The eyes possess the power to act as a reservoir of energy as well as transmitter. Through the medium of the eyes, we are able to express many things. We are able to express sorrow, joy, anger, cheerfulness, and through our Trataka we acquire a great power. Now, methods of Trataka. There are many methods of Trataka which can be practiced by the sadhakas according to choice and situation. We are talking of the external Tratak. For example, take a large betel leaf, prepare a paste with castor oil and make a black dot on the betel leaf, or even with a marker you can make a black dot. The dot should be size of a pea. Fix this leaf into a cardboard. Place a light, a lamp or a candle behind you. Practice Trataka on the dot in morning or evening. Go on gazing at the dot continuously for 5 to 10 minutes without moving your eyelids. Tears may come out of your eyes. Your eyes will feel some pressure. But keep on doing it. Make sure that you don't exceed, and if possible please do Trataka in presence of a guru or your master. Apart from on the leaf, you can also practice Trataka on a candle flame. You can also do Trataka in darkness, where sit by yourself in the dark and practice Trataka on the darkness. Keep your eyes fully opened. Continue to see in the darkness without any light. Sit there daily and practice it steadily and firmly. You can also do external Trataka on blue sky. You can gaze any star, even the moon. Trataka is there. You just keep gazing the moon for 5-10 minutes. You can do Trataka on a photograph of your deity also. If you have a crystal, you can practice Trataka on it. It's an important and very independent sadhana practice. You can also do Trataka on your shadow. Especially in the morning, stand up with your back to the sun and practice Trataka on the shadow of your neck. You can do Trataka on water. Sit down on a river bank or a raised ground where you can see the current of water for a long distance. Practice Tratak on the water. The eyes should remain steadily fixed on one spot. They should not move along with the waves. Tratak or Trataka is a very simple practice, but in this practice one has to be very careful and alert, as one's vision and mental processes have to be watched. If the mind is slightly active, the vision wanders away from the object. At the time of gazing, the eyes should not be opened very wide. In the first stage, Tratak is practiced on an object without thinking of its form, steady and devoid of any mental changes. We have seen in the yoga practice that the little practice of Tratak is of great use in removing eye disorders. So those who have weak eyesight and wear spectacles should practice Tratak for at least 5 minutes daily on a dot on the wall. For weak eyes, you can also wash your eyes with Triphala powder every morning and evening. Practice it for 15-20 days and you will find improvement in your eyesight. What is important during the practice of Tratak is the breathing pattern. See, in yoga, in Qigong, Tai Chi, in all spiritual and Asian practices, you have to be very careful about your breathing pattern. During the practice of Tratak, the breathing must be slow, rhythmic and deep. Thank you so much. This was Dr. Kaushik from AlternativeTherapyClinic.net.